Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to review or check your logged in credentials on TikTok. So if someone's recently accessed your account or logged in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate that information. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your TikTok profile, which you can achieve by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right. And then at the top right, you want to select the hamburger icon. Go ahead and left click on that. And then go down and select where it says settings and privacy. And now underneath settings and privacy, you want to select where it says security and permissions and left click on that. And it's going to say underneath security, your devices. Go ahead and left click on that. And underneath manage devices, you should see a list of all the current devices that are signed in on TikTok, as well as recent devices as well. And you can read additional information by clicking the little information icon here. That if you don't recognize these devices, remove the device and change your password to protect your account. So you can select the little trash bin icon to remove those other devices from here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.